Hey, welcome everybody to this edition of Trackunit's Product Spotlight. I'm here with Peter Elkjaer today, and we are going to talk about our new Trackunit Data Feeds solution that exists in our marketplace. So welcome, Peter. We'd love to kind of get into some details today about our marketplace solution. So first question I have for you is, why did we build this? What problem existed in the market, and what kind of solution are we bringing forward to help solve problems?
Hey, thanks, Martin, and thank you for having me on this show today. So, as the headline says here in the screen, right, mixed fleet connectivity is really a problem that we see at our customers. Trackunit offers a lot of telematics hardware solutions directly fitted with our OEMs, but we also acknowledge that there are a lot of other solutions out there where our customers need to combine a full overview of their entire fleet. And this is really why we started the Data Feeds initiative that has now grown tremendously on our marketplace. So what we see is that our customers are asking for this combined overview, and we in the past had like a developer sitting manually and configuring this. And that meant that you had to wait for a turnaround time of a JIRA ticket to be created, that somebody had to execute it. And then we were starting to see, hey, this is really a big problem for our customers. So right. A couple of years ago, we started this self-service initiative where customers from the marketplace themselves can install the Data Feed app, configure it, and be up and running within minutes. So it's a seamless experience. It helps both us internally. It helps our customers get their assets into their manager account very quickly. And it's packed into this nice app experience through the marketplace.
All right, so tell us a little bit more now that you kind of identified that we have a self-serve solution. What does it actually look like? How does a customer take advantage of that within our platform experience?
Yeah, so I mean, as a customer within our existing software solution, there is a little icon in the Manager tool where you can click and navigate to the marketplace. And if you're a brand new customer and watching this for the first time, you can go to marketplace.trackunit.com and also see all the apps that are available. I think as of today, we are at 62 apps with a lot of different OEMs out there, all covering like really big OEMs and also into, let's say, more specialty types of equipment where we have more specialized solutions from them. You then click the app description or the app icon. There's a description of what this data feed and what data points is being collected. And if you are an admin of your account, you can actually go ahead and just directly install this app, which brings you to a configuration screen where you put in your credentials from the respective OEM. If that process that helps you guide you through that, if that actually comes through with a success, it will actually import your machines directly into your manager account, and you can see them in your system within a couple of minutes.
That sounds like an absolute dream compared to the old days of, I guess, a lot more IT involvement. So the other part I'm kind of wondering about is you mentioned 62. I think when we launched this, it was something like 43. So what is that growth, and what's sort of driving these new apps that are appearing in our data feed solution?
That's a really good question, Martin. So we have a dedicated team that just sits and works by expanding the coverage with our data feeds. And if you are on the marketplace, there's actually in the top bar, there's like a request an app functionality. So if you are missing a logo on the marketplace here, you can actually just put in the information, and that will directly feed into a team that then actually goes in and builds these new data feed apps. So that process has actually grown from around, I think, 40 apps to the 62 that we have. And I think it's bi-weekly we're adding more and more based on these requests from customers.
All right, Peter. So now we've covered some of the practicalities of how our data feed solution works. Let's sort of talk about the impact and what are our customers saying about the new experience that we have built into the platform here?
Yes, so really what we are helping here is to leave no machine behind, right? Because with the ease of the data feeds, you can get your mixed fleet overview built really, really quickly. So we can help you accelerate that full overview of your fleet. You don't have to wait for installers to go out and put it in. You can just by a click of a button, right, you can get your full fleet combined in within minutes. And this was really something that we see hitting it off with our customers. They are getting that, they can move back to not equipping telematics, but actually optimizing their fleet and eliminate downtime really quickly with our solution. So I really think we're hitting a home run there, Martin. And as I mentioned earlier, with the request functionality, we're also seeing people kind of like dipping their feet in there and trying it out. And then once they see it working, they start requesting more and more connections to be added to the system.
Yeah, definitely. And I did speak to Dave Swan recently, and he kind of confirmed that this is happening in minutes now, not weeks. So it's a whole new world, a new era of app connectivity. So thank you so much, Peter, for sharing all the awesome achievements here and how we're helping our customers. And congratulations on the launch, which has been about 3 months now. But we're looking forward to our next spotlight, so stay tuned, everybody. In the meantime, follow some links at the end of the video to learn a little bit more about Marketplace Data Feeds and reach out to Trackunit. So thanks, Peter.
Thank you, Martin.